the dump is coming. Why? Let's dive right into it. Like I said in the thumbnail, we are going to most likely experience some dumps, some very bearish movements from the markets in the coming weeks. So here is why. Currently, we have a break of structure to the upside on the weekly time frame, and then on our inducement is sitting right here. Our inducement is sitting right here, and we have a decisional POI right here, decisional POI, and then we have our extreme POI. So according to our structure here, we are expecting price to start dumping, like price to start crashing down, probably reject here and start going. But based on my past market experience, price usually go below our decisional POI. So I'm expecting probably that price will come here to our extreme POI. So but how do we now take advantage of this move? It is one thing to know that yes, this is what price is most likely to do. Let's stick to the end of the video. I'm going to give you a step by step how you can be able to get a piece of this move. So let's go. Let's come down to the 4 hours. So on the 4 hours, we have a range of character right here. So after our change of character, normally we are supposed to get our inducement, but price didn't give us an inducement. It just rather it pushed back into this order flow. After we have change of character from here, from this low to this high is our order flow. So price pushed into our order flow, and as you can see right here, when it's pushed into our order flow, I knew that from this order flow, price is going to start dropping. We just need to get our confirmation on the 15 minutes. So our first target for this is going to be right here. So I'm currently in on this trade on the 15 minutes. I'm on Friday, like, yeah. So I'm going to put a screenshot right here so you can see my entry on the trade. So now let's go to the 15 minutes to explain why and how I got into this trade. So looking at here, we can see that we have, let me remove this. So we can see that carefully, you can see right here, then price came, took out this liquidity, when it took out the liquidity, it gave us a strong bearish confirmation, which is a bearish engulfing. This bear took and tapped right back into it. So we had something like this. Let's say this was our liquidity. So we had something like this, a sweep, then price came down and tapped back, and then we are expecting price to drop to take out the lows, like the extreme lows. So that is what's happening. So I'll even put a before picture of before price came here, that I saw that okay, this is probably what we should be expecting, and it played out. So currently now, since this move is already moving, yeah, so our first take profit is right. But as you know, from the 4 hours, we have a more potential to the downside. Like we can easily go for this inducement, this weekly inducement, As you can see, you can easily go for this weekly inducement right here, and if price keeps jumping, go for the next order block, which here that will be about 823 pips. So but at first we should focus on getting to this low first. So once we get to this low, we evaluate the market. If it's still going to wants to keep dropping, if it keeps dropping, then we can easily target this inducement. So that's basically what I am looking at on the market for next week. That's basically what I'm at. So if you enjoy this content, kindly smash the like button and turn up, subscribe and turn on post notification so that you don't miss my next video. I'll give you 3 seconds to turn on your post notification. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, thank you guys, and bye for now. I will see you all next time.